my channel. My name is Vivian. If you're new, I do all kinds of videos on beauty, fashion hauls, tutorials, lifestyle videos, vlogs, all sorts of fun things, all things fashion, beauty, lifestyle. If that sort of thing interests you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on my future videos. Anyway, today again is one of my favorite times of the month. This is my Stitch Fix try on and review. I've already unboxed everything. I'll be trying everything on right here next to me. So as always, don't forget to leave me a comment below. Let me know what you guys think of each item. Also, I will leave in the description box a link to the items if I can find it or something similar so that you guys are able to purchase the item or ask your stylist for the item, whatever you want to do. So don't forget to check out the description box below. I'm going to read the note from my stylist. I did ask Michelle to try to send me each item under or around $50. I just wanted to see if that was possible and what she might possibly send me. So let me read the note. I have not read the note yet, but I have obviously unboxed. Hi, lovely Vivian. It's finally starting to warm up, and I'm so excited to send you some summer styles that will keep you looking great as the air heats up. I'm sorry if this fix is reaching you a little later than expected. I wanted to make sure to send you some styles in your requested price point that also match your style preferences. Since you're looking for a pair of black pants, I'm sending the KFTK pants. Let me know what you think of them. I know you were interested in kimonos a few months back, so I found one that is stylish for summer. Try the Emory Park kimono over the lemon Tart crochet detail top with a pair of white denim for a chic summer style. I'm also sending a pop of color with a Collective Concepts laser cut top. Let me know what you think. XO Michelle. Again, she is awesome. She really takes the time and energy to send me what I want, usually, and what it is that I asked for, or if I asked for a special request. So I definitely think she did that. So I got, if you're new to Stitch Fix, I will leave a link below so you can find out everything about it, what it costs, how often you can get the a fix, all that kind of stuff. So I'll leave my referral link below. I'll also leave my link for Trunk Club and everything else. So again, don't forget to check the description box for more info. Okay, so let's just start out with the black pants that she is talking about. And these are cut from the Kloth. I love cut from the Kloth brand. Unfortunately though, these pants, and you're gonna see right here next to me, I think they're a little too low cut. I think the inseam from here to here is just too short. I'm really getting more into high-waisted pants, and Michelle wouldn't know that, so she just sent me a nice pair of trousers for work. And actually these are awesome in terms of everything else. They're super stretchy, they're a skinny pant. Let me just show them to you guys. It's kind of hard to see the black. It's got some nice detail right there and at the bottom. So they're just simple, fake pockets front and back. So just super stretchy and like super comfortable. I just don't think they're gonna work for me because I really want more of a high-waisted pant now. I kind of want everything to just be kind of like locked and loaded, but they're a nice black pant. I mean, I can't complain about them. They're just not exactly what I'm looking for in terms of the waistline, but everything else definitely thumbs up. I think they're a good pant. If you don't care about high-waisted, I think these are a very good pant. In fact, these are the cut from the Kloth Elise Slim Straight Leg Pant in black in a size 4P, and these are $88. So under $100, a black pair of pants that you could probably have for years and years and years. So I think you could probably even wash these at home, no dry cleaning, all that good stuff. So I think they're a great pant. I just, unfortunately, I don't think they're for me. If you guys are new, I will always at the end of each video let you know what I decided to keep and what I paid for each item, so you're not left hanging and not knowing what I kept. Again, I am trying to be much more picky as to what I keep and what I pick out. You know, I'm just trying to look at my wardrobe and say, do I really, really need this item? Is this something that I just can't live without? Is it something that I really, really want or not? So I'm just trying to be a little bit more particular with what I pick out. So those will probably go back, but again, you'll find out at the end of the video. Okay, so the next item is this red top. I love this top. I think it's perfection. I love the laser cut detail down here, as you'll see on the try on as well. I think it's simple but yet stylish and pretty and feminine, and I think I could wear it with black jeans, blue jeans, white jeans. You could wear it with a skirt if you wanted to for work, whatever. Maybe put a little cardigan on top. I just think it's super cute. I love this little opening right here in the front. I think it fits pretty well, but you guys can let me know. It might be just a hair big, but I prefer that to super tight or too small. So I think it's really, really nice. You could wear it with a bralette. I did not bother changing my bra, so don't comment about how I can't wear it with a strap bra. I know it has to be strapless or an on-purpose like bralette where it looks like you're trying to show your bra. I get it. But yeah, I was too lazy to switch out the bra for this one. But I think this is really cute. It's kind of a reddish orange kind of color. So it's not like a blue red, it's more of an orange red, which I think is just really pretty. I think it matches my hair and skin tone really, really well. I am leaning towards this one, but we'll see. I have a couple other things that are sort of similar, so do I really, really need it? We'll see. Collective Concepts Esdra Lasercut Detail Top in orange red. I think it's red. It doesn't say orange red, but it says orange R, so I'm assuming it means orange red. This is a size medium, and this again is $48. So she definitely got it under 50 bucks. So this is the Emory Park Dulce Cross Front Knit Top in light gray, size medium, and again, $38. So definitely hit the mark, under 50 bucks. It's got the cross detail right here, and it is super comfortable. So soft. I think it's just a really, really cute top. Do I need a top like this? Probably not. It's getting pretty hot here. I don't know that I would wear this right now. Maybe like on a casual weekend or something. It's cute. I could actually wear this to work. I think it's a cute top. I don't love it though. But I definitely like this detail, but there's just something about it that doesn't scream like cool, modern, I don't know, professional chic. It doesn't really scream any of that stuff for me. So like I said, I think it's just a sweet little casual top. The price is fine. But I don't know that I really need it. It's a real basic top, but I like this cross front detail for sure. That's really, really cool. That's probably the thing I like the most about this top, but I don't know, let me know what you think. It's kind of plain. The next item is this black t-shirt. A lemon Tart Giada crochet detail knit top in black in a size medium for $54. So pretty close to hitting the mark on that. It's got this lacy kind of cutout detail right there, and that's about it. It's got a little bit of a detail right here, a teeny bit of a high-low, just super simple, ultra soft. If you're looking for a black t-shirt that's a little more conservative but that's got some, you know, interesting detail, this is probably good for you. I just think 54 bucks for this shirt is probably a little bit high. This should be, you know, 38 bucks in my opinion. It's a little plain. I don't know that I'd get much wear out of it. It's just super basic, which is fine. It's got a little bit, like I said, a little bit of a detail, but nothing great. I just think it's a little overpriced. I think if it was in the $30 range, it just would make more sense to me. But it's so soft and ultra comfortable. So I think it's very good quality shirt. I just, again, is it something I need right now? Probably not. Does it blow me away? Do I have to have it? Absolutely not. So let me know what you guys think about that. And last but not least is the kimono. If you have been watching my channel for a while, you do know that I have been really wanting a kimono. I don't want to pay too much for it because I think they're super trendy and they're probably going to go out of style within the next 3 days. But I have been wanting one. I don't know that this one is necessarily it, but this is the Emory Park Caley open kimono in taupe, size medium for $34. So the price is fine. I don't have a problem with that at all. So this is it right here. It has, as you can see from me trying it on, just some gold striping. I don't know if you can see that from the light right there. All throughout it, some big, like, kind of, it's taupey, like a base color in the background, and then it's got these like black large flowers, and then just like a black stitching around the you know, cuffs there, sleeves, whatever. It's pretty long for me. I'm short. I think it's a little too long. It's not something I would pay to have altered or anything like that. I just don't think I like the length, and I don't like the gold in there. I know I'm probably just being super ultra picky, but again, I'm doing that more. Just, you know, if I don't need it, I don't love it, it's not going to stay with me. I think the price is right though. So if you're looking for a basic kimono, and you're a little bit taller than 5'4", I think this one would work for you, but I think it just falls off the mark for me just a little bit. So I don't know, let me know what you guys think and if I'm being too picky. My total for everything is $262. If I buy 5, I get a $65.50 discount, so my subtotal would be $196.50. With my other credit of $25, my total for everything would be $171.50. I think that's an awesome price. I think she hit the mark in terms of price and what I asked for. Yay! I think it was awesome. Thank you, Michelle, for listening to my request as always. So I think the price for those 5 items is awesome. It's a great price with the discounts and everything like that. Let me know what you guys thought of this fix, and let me know what your favorite item in your fix is. Because I'll probably look it up and see if it's something I absolutely have to have or something I can request for Michelle. I do have a Pinterest page. I'll link that down below. And I do have all my Stitch Fix items that I request in there. And I know Michelle checks that out all the time. So if you guys want to look at that, you can check that out too down in the description box. So if you guys like these kind of videos, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And as always, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye.